Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive and make your computer to run faster and better. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup or CLENMGR, and Disk Cleanup interface will pop up as you can see on the screen. Take a good look at your C drive contents, and from here you can see some of the folders like the recycle bin, thumbnails, and others that need to be cleaned. Select the ones occupying large memory spaces. Just go through it, and once you have checked the ones you want to clean off, then the next thing you have to do is to click Cleanup, and the process will start. The total memory space you will get after the cleanup operation is also displayed as you can see. The cleanup process can take several minutes depending on how large memory you need to clean up, as you can see on the screen. The cleaning process or the scanning process is on, and like I said earlier on, this can take several minutes, and I have another video I teach how you can set this automatically on your Windows. It is a free Microsoft application called StorageSense. Check it on my playlist. It will greatly help increase your PC performance without you having to do it manually every now and then. As you can see, I just did the preliminary cleanup now, and if you look at this, you find out that the thumbnail, the temporary internet files, are about 530 megabytes here. Also, you have the recycle bin as well. As you can see from here, my temporary file has reduced from almost 204 megabytes, recycle bin reduced to 23 megabytes, so I still need to run it again because I need to get more space. The temporary files are about 500 megabytes, which to me is still very large. So you have to click Scan or Delete, and you will be prompted to permit the deletion of folders already selected. The process is ongoing as you can see. It takes several minutes to clean up the entire C drive. Like I mentioned earlier, if your memory is so much occupied, it will take several minutes. And I want to appeal to you, if this video is really making impact or really helping you out, make sure to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and also like the videos. That would really encourage us to put up more videos of this nature. The process is ongoing. Make sure not to interrupt the process. Allow the whole cleaning process to finish or to complete, and then you can restart your system, and I bet you it's going to be faster once this process is allowed to complete without interruption. The process is finally completed. Let me show you also the second tip that can also make your system to be lighter and to work better. Just go to your Windows search bar, type Run, or hold Windows key plus R, and that will bring up the Run command. Type temp once the Run command dialog box appears, temp, T-E-M-P, and click OK. And here you will have the view of several temporary files and folders, several of them, and this clog your system and make it less effective. What you have to do to select all of them by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard and right-click on your mouse to delete all of them. Some of them will not go out at once, but continue to click on Skip, and that will get rid of most of these temporary files. And once this is done or is completed, make sure to restart your system. Again, but let me also show another important tip that can help your PC perform better. Go to your Windows search bar, type Run as you did before. When that pops up, type %temp%, and that will bring up the list of temporary files and folders generated by the apps running in your system. Make sure to delete all this by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard and then right-clicking on your mouse to delete all of them. Some of them will not go out, but keep on pressing Skip until most of them are deleted, and once you have done deleting all of them, finally, type Run in your search bar as usual. When it pops up, type in Prefetch as displayed on the screen. A list of several temporary files and folders will be displayed. These clog your Windows system and make it less efficient. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select all. Right-click your mouse to delete them. Make sure to restart your system, and I bet your system is going to bounce back to life, and it's going to be faster as well. Make sure to subscribe and share this video.